Alright, what's up everybody? This is another probably short video, but it's an unboxing. CKY Trilogy Round 2. This one's from 2003. So there you go. And we'll open this up here. What the fuck? There we go. Oh, this one has some cool stuff here. It tells you what's all expected here. That's kind of cool. And there is the disc. There you go. Huh? And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn those notification bells on. You'll know every time I upload. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video.